Welcome to CBSE e-tuition students. Today we will solve Mathematics chapter 2 Polynomials exercise 2.1. So it is the basic of the chapter. So before starting this, we will know some few of the terms. Earlier we have done the terms, but still, like coefficient. What do we mean by coefficient? The term coefficient implies that means it is a number which multiplies the variable. So it is the number which multiplies the variable. So question number 1, we can see the question is 2 plus x square plus x. So in this expression 2 plus x square plus x, we have to find out the coefficient. So we can rewrite the expression as 2 plus 1 into x square plus x. So x square is the multiplied by 1. X square, x is the variable, whereas it is multiplied by 1. Therefore coefficient of the given expression 2 plus x square plus x is 1. What we can write expression exp in short. Now question number 2, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Again we will rewrite the equation or the expression in this case. We can rewrite 2 plus minus 1 in bracket x square plus x cube. So the number that multiplies the variable x square is minus 1. Therefore coefficient of the expression two minus x square plus x cube is minus 1. This is the expression exp. as we have written earlier. Now the third question is pi by 2 into x square plus x. Again we will rewrite the equation as pi by 2 into x square plus x. So pi by 2 here, pi by 2 is multiplied by x square. Expression is, see the expression. Here we can see this is the expression pi by 2 into x square plus x. So we can clearly see that pi by 2 is been multiplied by x square. So pi by 2 is the number that multiplies the variable x square. Therefore, the coefficient of the expression pi by 2 x square plus x is pi by 2 simply, and for the sake of knowledge, pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7. So the next question is 2.1 for root over 2x minus 1. So in this case we can see the expression is not so much similar with the other expression. So in this case we will rewrite the expression as 0 x square root over 2x minus 1. Simply we can write 0 x square root over 2x minus 1. Why we have written 0? Because any number multiplies with 0 gives the output 0. So in this case what we will do, 0 will be taken as the coefficient of the term x square. So we can say that the number which multiplies the variable root over 2x minus 1 x square is 0. So the coefficient of x square in root over 2x minus 1 is 0. So students, we have to rewrite the equation so that we will get a similar term but in expanded form. Students, do like the class and share it with your friends so that everyone's get the knowledge. and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.